discover how homeopathy is becoming every parent's secret of raising healthier, happier child. Hello all, Dr. Chaitra here. As a parents, nothing breaks our heart more than seeing our child unwell again and again. One cold after the another, antibiotics, side effects, sleepless nights. But what if there is a gentle way? A way that supports their natural healing and builds their strength from within. Immunity learning to adapt to the world around them. That's why a system like homeopathy, which uses minute doses of natural substances, works wonderfully for them. No harsh chemicals, no drowsiness or side effects, builds natural immunity instead of just suppressing the symptoms. Even infants and toddlers can safely take it. Instead of just treating the symptoms, homeopathy treats the whole child, their body, their mood, their energy, and even their emotions. Top issues parents face that respond well to homeopathy. Number 1, frequent cold and cough. Kids often catch infections back to back. Homeopathy breaks this cycle. Teething problem, irritability, sleeplessness, and colic pain can calm with right remedy. Number 3, stomach troubles. Whether it's constipation, loose stools, or acidity, there are gentle solutions. Number 4, bedwetting. Emotional issues and delayed nervous development can handle without embarrassment. Number 5, allergies and asthma. Homeopathy strengthens child immune response and allergy over a time. Behavioral issues, tantrums, anxiety, restlessness, or extreme clinginess. Homeopathy works on emotional plan too. These are not just physical issues. Sometimes a shy child may be hiding fear, a restless child may be struggling inside. Homeopathy understands and treats them from within. Children who take homeopathy regularly often fall sick less and recover faster over a time. Never self-medicate, always consult trained homeopath who selects remedy based on your child's unique constitution. These remedies are not just based on illness, they are based on your child's nature, body type, and emotion. That's what makes homeopathy so powerful. As a parent, we want more than just a quick fix. We want our child or children to be strong, resilient, and joyful. That's the gift of homeopathy offers. Long-last healing path. Like this video if you care about your natural wellness for your child. Comment your child's health concern. I'll guide you with safe options. Thank you.